Aloha, y'all. This is Rhonda, and I am showing you the turmoil my life has been in because of having to move out and then move back in because of all the renovations. But this is what I need help with. If you guys have any ideas, I want to show you my real estate. I have downgraded to an apartment when I used to live in a house always before. And this is, the front entrance. I know I love the trees and the birds and the squirrels. That's really pretty. And this is my front porch with my chairs. And this bin here doubles as a table and gardening storage. Alright, I'm going to show you empty pots, but it's really showing me my real estate. The last plants I had all were killed in that unexpected frost. That was not fun. But here we are. So I just emptied them all. See, I just emptied them all. This is the unexpected peanut plant that our squirrel friend planted for me. At first I didn't know what it was. I had to look it up because I saw the peanut there. See that little peanut? So I looked up peanut plant. Oh yeah, that's what it is. And then I found out when I started emptying out all these containers, that squirrel's been planting these peanuts in all these places. All the soil, all my empty pots, dead from the frost. But my neighbor has been feeding the squirrel peanuts. So we have a peanut. We have a peanut squirrel who acts like a cat. Anyway, he's pretty cute. These are my topiary lavender I got for free a couple weeks ago, last month. They were blooming like crazy, but they say to cut off the blooms so they bloom more. Trader Joe's comes by this 55 plus community once a month to give us free fresh groceries, which is super cool. And they also bring cut flowers and sometimes potted ones. I have nothing to do with cut flowers, but anytime I get a potted one, I take it. The other ones I had died in the frost. Okay, the frost thing. Okay, this is where the bin I've been putting all the soil to rejuvenate it. It has mycelium, worm compost in there, and I've just been mixing it all up so I can finally start replanting. Never mind that the gates of Texas heat hell have opened up, and so I'm not sure how things will do. But if you guys have any suggestions, that would be really cool. This is the corner right outside of my bedroom. It's right across from the bin right now. This is where I feed the birds and apparently that squirrel. But you see, I have all this area to plant. Another beautiful corner that, gets light, but, kind of away from the elements. And then it's all the way to the stairs. Up to about here is my real estate. Don't ask me what that is. There's still renovation going on. It's all very annoying, but you know, one day it'll be done. Hopefully soon. But anyway, this is my new home, which I'm very grateful for. And I do have a whole corner real estate. And today's trash day. They pick up 2 bags on Wednesday morning. So that's what the trash is. And it goes up to my neighbors to about here. Anyway, I appreciate y'all listening to me. Everybody take care of each other. Especially take care of yourselves. Because I know many people are, spending time taking care of others. So, anyway, big loves. I will do another video as things progress. Bye-bye.